Right now, America, and the world, is going through one of the biggest financial shifts in modern history, and most people don't even see it happening. Every decade creates a defining wealth opportunity. The early 2000s rewarded those who believed in the internet. The 2010s made millionaires through smartphones and social media. But the next 10 years? They're being shaped by artificial intelligence, automation, and the digital economy. And here's the truth. Wealth isn't built during comfortable, predictable times. It's built during moments of massive change, just like the one we're in right now. The problem is, most people will completely miss it. They'll stick to the same job, the same mindset, and the same financial habits that worked in the past, but won't work in the future. They'll rely on a single paycheck, ignore new opportunities, and slowly fall behind without even realizing it. Meanwhile, a small group of people will do the opposite. They'll pay attention to where the world is heading, learn valuable skills, and position themselves early, before the rest of the crowd catches on. That's how real wealth is built. Not when something is already popular, but when it's still uncertain and misunderstood. So the real question isn't whether this opportunity is real. The real question is whether you'll act on it in time. Because the next 10 years won't just create new millionaires, they'll separate people into two groups. Those who adapted early and built wealth, and those who stayed comfortable and got left behind. One group will take control of their financial future, while the other will spend years wondering what they missed. The opportunity is here. The window is open. But it won't stay open forever.